Hi guys, my name is Chachi, and for today's video, I know based from the title I said no talking, but I just want to give it an intro because this is going to be my first video that I'm uploading, that I basically just applying makeup, showing you the products that which one I put. So I think I'm going to be uploading some more of this kind of videos because I like it. I like the makeup look that I created, that I am not talking that much. So let me know if in the description down below if you like more of this kind of video, so we can just do more of this. I know I had a request to do a makeup video, like a makeup look using just one shadow, and I will be uploading that one. So here you go, guys. This is our finished look of the day. And I hope you like this kind of video. Like, I just, you know, thinking of some stuff like that we can do. Not more of a talking, but more on putting makeup. I think I'll be putting more of a video, some kind of like this, like that I'm just putting on makeup and not that much talking. But we will also still have reviews video, like in-depth tutorial where I'm talking. So let me know in the comments down below if you do like this kind of video or you prefer the other one. And don't forget, we still have our giveaway going on in the other video. We still need to bump up that subscriber. So if you can go help the girl out, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future upload. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you'll give this a thumbs up. Bye.